I'm not just carrying myself, but also my story.
What's with your story? Tell
Yeah,
us
in our
more.
final screening, we've given a chance to have a free speech in 1 minute.
Okay.
My mentor allowed me to write my free speech.
Mm-hmm.
And ana jud ko na, I would really want to share my story good. Not only to influence other, but to know my stories sa other ba na basin same me og stories. No, ana jud ko na, I would want to say that kanina story akong gusto iingon sa kang free speech na I will not just use a free speech for my advocacy, but also tell my story na ingani akong giagi balag unsa kalisod, naagyapon ko sa tanan nagatindog og kalig-on bisan unsa pa ka problema og unsa pa na bagyo ang nahitabo sa akong life. Mao na feel gid na ako katong pagtawag sa akong name kay I'm not just standing the way I carry myself. I'm also standing and know that it's also my story na basin correlate sila or a lot of people sad na nailhan nila. So I would say that I'm not just carrying myself but also my story. Advice na ko mahatag sa balak na mo appeal for the next year kay just be yourself and express kung unsa may gusto ninyo iingon. Ayaw mo kahadlok, ayaw mo kaulaw kung unsa man mo, cause even if daghan mo ma-hear na any bashing from others, make that as motivation to yourself na bahalag unsa ilang iingon sa imuha, you know your standing, kabalo ka kung unsa gi gusto nimo and pursue that thing kay at the end of it God will guide you for that.